Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are all well. Today, we embark on a journey to understand core legal principles, the underlying basics of global law. While legal systems differ across the globe, some fundamental legal concepts and principles underpin most of them. These can be considered the basics of law in the world. 1. The rule of law. This is arguably the most fundamental principle. It implies that, supremacy of law. Everyone, including the government, is subject to and accountable under the law. No one is above the law. Equality before the law. The law should apply equally to all individuals without discrimination. Accountability to the law. There are mechanisms in place to hold individuals and the government accountable for their actions under the law. Fairness and due process. Legal processes should be fair, transparent, and adhere to established procedures. 2. Human rights. A core set of rights inherent to all human beings, regardless of nationality, place of residence, sex, national or ethnic origin, color, religion, language, or any other status. These are often enshrined in international declarations and conventions, like the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and national constitutions. Basic human rights include the right to life, freedom from torture and slavery, the right to a fair trial, freedom of expression and religion, the right to equality and non-discrimination. Economic, social, and cultural rights, like the right to work, education, and healthcare. 3. Justice. This is a broad concept encompassing fairness, equity, and moral rightness in the application of laws. Different legal philosophies may have varying interpretations of justice, but it generally involves 5. Legal personality. The concept that certain individuals, groups, like corporations, and even the state can be recognized as having legal rights and obligations. 6. Liability and responsibility. Legal systems establish rules for holding individuals and entities responsible for their actions or omissions that cause harm or violate the law. 7. Due process. This principle ensures